Here, this is another kind of problem. So find the quadratic polynomials. The sum and product of the zeros are -1 and -20. Find the zeros of the polynomial. See, first they have given the zeros. That is sum and product. The sum is alpha plus beta equal to -1. That is given. The product is -20. Yeah. Alpha plus alpha beta equal to -20. Okay. Sorry, it is not clear. Huh? Okay. So this is given. Now we have to find the equation. So yesterday I told you, if you know the alpha beta values, you can form the equation like this. Function of x is equal to x squared minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. So this function of x is equal to x squared. Now the alpha plus beta equal to -1 it is given. So minus of this -1 into x plus alpha beta. Alpha beta is -20. So this is the equation now. So this is in the reverse way. You write these zeros in the equation and form an equation. Normally the equation will be given and you have to find the zeros. Here it is the opposite way. Zeros are given, you have to find out the equation. Fine. 9 x squared. So minus into -1 into x. That becomes plus x. Okay, because here plus alpha plus beta is -1. So this minus sign is also there. So be careful on the signs. So -1 into -1 into this becomes +1. Alpha beta is -20. This is no problem. Only in alpha plus beta is minus b by a. That is where you have to be careful because alpha beta is c by a. There is no minus sign. So you can alpha beta you can straight away write it as c by a. Only in this case you have to be careful. Minus b by a. So the equation becomes x squared plus x minus 20. So if you multiply this, this becomes minus 20. I told you in the last problem also. See, you divide this 20 into 4 into 5. Okay. Now what happens? 5 minus 4 is x. So you can apply here. Okay. So x squared comes here. This x is plus 5x minus 4x. That is the way we have split this. So it comes to x. This is minus 20. Okay. Now this I am taking x out. So when x is coming, this 5 is coming. So x into x, x squared. X into 5, 5x. I am taking -4 here. So -4 into x minus 4x. -4 into plus 5 minus 20. So this is factorizing. Now x plus 5 and x plus 5 is common. So we can take x plus 5 and this is x minus 4. Now we have to factorize this equation into like this. So assume that x minus 4 equal to 0, then x is equal to 4. Assume x plus 5 equal to 0, x is equal to -1. Okay. Now we have two zeros, that is 4 and -5. Alpha plus beta equal to -5 plus 4. That becomes -1. Alpha beta equal to, the two zeros, that is 4 and 5. Alpha beta is equal to -20. You can again check with the coefficients with this equation. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. Here minus b by a is this -1. Okay. See what is happened? This becomes x. So minus of 1. See minus of 1 I written now. See this b is 1. Clear? So you have to write this minus sign. B is 1 because this coefficient is 1 plus 1. So you have to write plus 1. So this becomes alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a equal to minus 1. Alpha beta equal to c by a. So c is minus 20. So it is minus 20. So how, from this we have proved also this alpha plus beta equal to minus 1, alpha beta is equal to minus 20. So that is, we also proved, here also we have proved. So this alpha plus beta equal to minus 1, that is minus 4 plus minus 5 into minus 5 plus 4 1. Alpha beta is minus 4 into minus 5 into minus 4 is minus 20. So you can prove with coefficients also. Okay. This is how, this is coming in the reversal way. You know the zeros, form the equation, from the equation find out the, see they are given only alpha plus beta. They have not given alpha is this, beta is this. See, you should not get confused. From here, you cannot find how much is alpha, how much is beta. Unless you put it in the equation, then only you can find. This is 1 is minus 4, 1 is 4 and 1 is 5. This is given is alpha plus beta is minus 1. So from this you cannot find alpha and beta. From the equation only you can find out. This is clear. Just because they have given alpha plus beta is minus 1, we cannot come to a conclusion 1 is 5, 1 is minus 5, 1 is 4. We have to solve it. This is the way, because some people not get confused. Already it is given alpha beta plus beta is given, alpha beta is given. So we can write alpha and beta. We cannot do that. We have to put it in the equation, find out this factorization, then find one by one. That is the way, only way you can find alpha and beta. Thank you for watching.